I love me a marshmallow. Okay. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a cozy late night unboxing of Universal Yums. I have been sick for days, but I'm way too excited to open this up, so I figured we're gonna do it anyways, even though I'm looking and feeling not my best. If you're unfamiliar with Universal Yums, they are a snack subscription where each month they send you snacks from a different country in the world. They're not just the snacks that are super popular, they're snacks that are actually very niche and very unique to the location, so I can guarantee you there's gonna be at least one thing in the box that you've never tried before. I've only done one other unboxing of this box, so I'll leave that up in the cards for you if you missed that one. But let's go ahead and open this one up. Ooh, when you open it up, this is what it looks like. It looks like we're going to Poland. On top, we have a little card here that talks about the different regions, and then the back has the Yum scoreboard, so you can actually score what you and your family, your partner, your roommates, whatever, how you feel about each of the snacks. And then it does talk about some other, if you loved these, try these from the Yum shop, different ways to say things in the Polish way, some fun little activities. Then we have a little brochure on here talking about different parts of the culture, some stories, different trivia, and then the details on each of the products, as well as the nutrition facts. Ooh, and then they have a recipe. This is Polish pizza, open face sandwich. A drizzle of ketchup. I don't know about that one, but this is exciting. I'm super excited to see the snacks. And then also they have these cute little stickers. I love that they always give you a stamp. I think that's so fun. Oh my goodness. Okay, so these are Monster Munch, Poland's saltiest, scariest snack. Fun fact, every year the average Pole eats over 250 pounds of potatoes. That's heavier than a baby elephant. That is wild. Beyond pierogi, which I love, potato pancakes, mashed potato dumplings, plum stuffed potato balls, they also eat Monster Munch. Light, airy crunch, perfect sprinkling of salt, and a ghoulishly fun shape, these potato crisps are nothing short of a national treasure. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this cute little ghost. I'll hold it up against my sweatshirt so you can see. Oh, it's so cute. Those are really good. I might not be sharing these. They're not just salty, they're like the perfect kind of crunch where they're really, really light, but there's like another flavor in there that's not just salt. Super good. I really, really like these. Okay. Okay, then we have some paprika coated peanuts. These look interesting. I don't know if I'm gonna like these, but these are peppery peanutty perfection. In the US, you hear pass the salt and pepper, but in Poland, you'll hear something different. Pass the paprika. The bright and red powder made from dried bell peppers is one of Poland's favorite spices. Underneath the paprika spice is a crispy cracker coating, helping to deliver a little extra crunch into every bite. Interesting. Okay. Those are interesting. I'm not sure how I feel about them. I really like the paprika flavor and I like the crunch of the cracker. I'm just not a big peanut fan, but I do think I like them. And I feel like these are gonna be kind of like a healthier option as a little snack, so they're not gonna go to waste. We're gonna eat them here, but they're definitely not as good as the little ghosties. Okay. Ooh, okay, this looks like a little Yum bag, so we're gonna save that for the end. Okay, this is I have no idea. This is definitely written in Polish. I have no clue what that says. Oh, this is a dark chocolate marshmallow bar. I love me a marshmallow. Ask anyone in Poland what the country's most famous chocolate is, and they'll point you to the E. Wendell Company. It's just as famous in Poland as the Hershey Company in the US. Founded all the way back in 1851. Wow, okay. This is the most famous confection. It tastes more than just like vanilla marshmallow. There's another flavor in there that's kind of like a fruity. That's really good. I like that. I feel like the dark chocolate doesn't bother me as much because the vanilla really balances it out. I'm a fan. Kind of reminds me of like the chocolate covered Santas that they have during Christmas. I'm a fan of that. Then we have La Gustosa. These are lemon cream cookies. Crumbly almond biscuits filled with lemon cream. Under the communist regime in 1944 to 1989, lemons were rare in Poland until a local scientist introduced a new lemon that wasn't a lemon at all. By encouraging locals to grow it, they gave Poland a bright lemony flavor in a dark time. Ooh, that's kind of a cute story. So these are almond biscuits. I think these are gonna be really good. Okay, look at this. It's like a giant Nilla wafer. The inside of that is so good. It's definitely a creamy lemon flavor rather than like the bright citrusy lemon, which I really, really like with the almond. It's a very nice balance. And the cookie is so good. It's so crumbly. So far, everything in this box is really, really yummy. Then we have the gingerbread sticks in a cocoa glaze. These kind of look like Pocky actually, which I really like. Holidays aren't over just yet. We've got one more Polish tradition to squeeze in, but it's not one where the Poles prepare a whopping 12 dishes for Christmas. In this one, they eat gingerbread. Each stick is with gingerbread spice, then coated in chocolate. Smells like if you go to like a really fancy bakery and get a gingerbread cookie, not like cheap gingerbread house cookie, like true fresh gingerbread cookie. This is cute. Totally looks like Pocky. I really like those. I'm usually not like a super big fan of gingerbread. Those are delicious. Those are really, really delicious. I feel like these are something that I want to get people for Christmas and just like put them in their stockings. This is really good. We have what they call a yum bag. So says, you know the phrase, good things come in small packages. The yum bag is that phrase embodied. As we're searching the world for the best yums to bring you, we sometimes stumble across smaller finds that are big on flavor but small in size. Inside you find not only the most extraordinarily mysterious and incredibly delicious teeny yums around the world. And remember, don't eat the bag. Wasn't planning on it. Okay, we have 2 of each of these things. We have 2 of these, which are chocolate covered jelly candy, a mix of lemon, orange, and cherry. Looks like we got lemon and orange. And then we also got cow candy milk fudge. These are so cute. Look at this little cow. Okay, well, camera's not focusing, but this looks really good. So this is caramels with a crumbly outside and gooey inside. I love caramel. Okay. The candy's name is literally Little Cow. Candy's made by combining cow's milk with butter and sugar, boiling it, pouring it into a pan, cooling it, and cutting it into the signature rectangles. Oh my goodness, it's so sticky. This looks like it's gonna be a good caramel. It's kind of like crumbly. You just saw a crumb fall. That's really good. It's like the flavor of caramel, but it's not like getting all stuck in my teeth. Delicious. Delicious. Then we have the lemon and orange. I think I'm gonna go for the orange. When you think jelly, you probably think of the fruity spread you slather on toast. But in Poland, it refers to any number of unique dishes. But let's focus on the particular jelly in your box. An uber popular chocolate covered jelly candy. These jellies are slathered in chocolate so that Poles can get their fix of jelly on the go. Ooh, that's so good. Like a gummy bear mixed with like a fruit snack texture, and it's a super juicy jelly, so I actually get the flavor of like a true orange, kind of like an orange marmalade level of orange. That's so good. And then it's covered in dark chocolate, but it's a thin layer of dark chocolate, so it's not too dark. That's good. I'm so excited to try the lemon one. Well, I liked literally every single thing in this box. I think my favorites was gonna be those ghost chips, but honestly, I feel like I might go for the gingerbread sticks or maybe the chocolate jelly candy. I liked everything though. It's a tough combination to pick from because everything was really, really good. I think the thing that surprised me the most that I actually liked was probably the peanuts. Like, I think I'm gonna enjoy eating those, but they're definitely not something I would have picked off the shelf. Although I'm not sure I would have picked any of this off the shelf, but I love every single one of them. So I'm super interested. Are any of these things that you've had before? Do you like them? If you haven't had them before, which one sounds like something that you would want to try? I am very pleasantly surprised. I think this was a really fun box. I never knew Poland had such a great taste in food. I'd only ever had pierogies before, so this was a nice taste of the culture that I had never had. So I'm pretty impressed. This was a very successful Universal Yums box, and I'm already really excited for next month. So if you are interested to see what comes in the box, definitely stick around and subscribe. I really appreciate you coming and hanging out with me on this late night snack adventure. Thank you so much for doing so, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. In the meantime, hope you have a killer day or night. Bye!